Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best drones for 2026, perfect for adults, beginners, and drone enthusiasts. I'll break down each drone's features, flight performance, camera quality, pros and cons, so you can decide which one fits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Ruko F11 GIM2 drones with gimbal plus EIS 4K camera. 4K camera with gimbal plus EIS for smooth footage. Flight time 96 minutes. Max range 16,404 feet, approximately 5 kilometers FPV. Auto return home with GPS. Foldable and compact, level 6 wind resistance. The Ruko F11 GIM2 is a powerhouse for aerial photography. The gimbal stabilization plus EIS keeps your videos smooth, even on windy days. Its long flight time and range are excellent for capturing landscapes or cityscapes. Pros: very long flight time, 96 minutes. Smooth 4K footage thanks to gimbal plus EIS. GPS auto return is reliable, foldable and portable. Cons: slightly pricey, bigger than ultra-lightweight drones. If you love long flights but want something a little more compact, the next drone might be perfect for you. Number 2. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. 3-axis gimbal, 4K 30 FPS camera, flight time 96 minutes, max range 6 kilometers, visual tracking and quick shots, ultra lightweight under 249 grams. This is a lightweight yet powerful drone, ideal for beginners and travelers. Despite its small size, the 3-axis gimbal ensures professional-grade footage. Visual tracking and quick shots make capturing cinematic moments easy. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, no registration in some regions, long flight time and good transmission range, beginner-friendly features like quick shots and visual tracking. Cons: camera is 4K 30 FPS, no 60 FPS. Wind resistance could be better due to small size. Next, we have a drone that comes with a built-in FPV screen, perfect for immersive flying experiences. Number 3. GPS drones with camera for adults. 4K 5.7 inches FPV screen. 4K camera, flight time 100 minutes, FPV screen 5.7 inches, long-range video transmission, GPS follow and auto return, foldable with 2 batteries. This drone stands out with its integrated FPV screen, making first-person flying more intuitive. With 100 minutes of flight time and 2 batteries, you can enjoy extended flying sessions without interruptions. Pros: longest flight time 100 minutes. FPV screen adds convenience for pilots. GPS tracking and follow modes, foldable for travel. Cons: FPV screen adds weight, slightly bulkier than ultra-lightweight drones. For those looking for high-end features like obstacle avoidance and rain-proof design, the next drone is a must-see. Number 4. Aerial view of snow scene. Upgraded professional drone. 4K HD camera with anti-shake 3-axis gimbal. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees, up to 5 miles range, tablet screen controller, 84 minutes flight with 2 batteries, time-lapse, high wind resistance, rainproof. This is a professional-grade drone for serious aerial photographers. Obstacle avoidance and 360-degree anti-shake gimbal make it safe and perfect for tricky terrains like mountains or snow. The rainproof feature is a huge bonus. Pros: advanced features like obstacle avoidance, anti-shake, time-lapse, rainproof and high wind resistance, large range control, 5 miles, dual batteries for extended flights. Cons: larger and heavier, less travel-friendly, more expensive than consumer drones. If you want a reliable, simpler drone for beginners but still powerful, check out this last option. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro drones with camera. 4K UHD camera, flight time 60 minutes, GPS auto return home, brushless motor, comes with carrying case. This is a great entry-level to mid-range drone. The GPS auto return and brushless motor make it stable and durable, while the carrying case is perfect for traveling. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly, GPS auto return for safety, compact and easy to carry. Cons: shorter flight time, 60 minutes compared to other drones on this list. No advanced obstacle avoidance. And there you have it, the top 5 best drones for 2026. Whether you want long flight times, lightweight portability, professional features, or beginner-friendly drones, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Comment below which drone you'd pick for your next adventure.